Hi friends, in this lesson we will use injected providers in React app with ZKsync and Web3.js. First of all, we need to create the React application. I will use this command npx create next app. And here we have injected provider folder, destination folder. Okay, install. Yes, I would like to use TypeScript. Doesn't matter. src, yes. Router, let it be. No alias, that's it. So we have injected provider in folder in examples, and we have the sample of the React application here. Let's go inside this folder. And let's go, for example, to the page and try to run it first. Dev, yes, we are dev. Starting. React application running. Let's close everything and return to our article. So first thing, you need to have MetaMask installed on your browser, and I want to use the page tsx file, and by default it uses server render, so I want to use it on the client. That's why I set this line here. And also let's first connect to the MetaMask and register the instance of the Web3.js and the plugin. For this, let's use effect. Should we import it from the React? Use type we also will use, so let it be. And also import the plugin and Web3.js. So our first use state will be with our Web3 instance. So connect the Web3 to the local layer 1, register new ZKsync plugin, and pass here the MetaMask provider injected to the browser. And then set our Web3 to the variable. This is initiate our Web3, and now we want to connect to the MetaMask. For this, let's use this function, which is just send request in layer 2, request accounts, which will be requested from the MetaMask, and we receive the MetaMask request and accept it, and it will return the accounts. So to set them, let's also have main account state here, because we will only use the first account, so we use res 0, and we can run it only if we have the Web3 instance. Okay, and let's make a button somewhere to run this method. I think we can remove everything here. We don't need it. And footer also. Empty up. Amazing. Let's make a button. Connect to MetaMask. And on click, add this method. Connect. Okay, let's try MetaMask here. Let's unlock and connect. So it is already connected, but we didn't see it. So let's show if we have main, not set, if we have main account. Let's type connected or show the button. Also, let's print the main account here. Okay, as you see, we already connected using this account. Okay, let's return to the article. So this is how we can easily connect to the MetaMask. Let's try to run some methods. For example, get balance. So let's create a method, get balance, and also set to the state. Yeah, so it's just Web3 ZKsync L2 get balance of main account and set the results here. We can only run it if we have the Web3 instance. So it's already initialization. So it's already initialized. And the result will be in this variable. So let's show the result. But also we need a button to refresh the balance. Yeah, styles here is not good. The button and text the same, but we know this is the button. Let's click on it and we receive the error. Let's check what is the error here. So as you see, we do not connect it to the MetaMask. That's why main account is empty string, and we can get the balance of empty string because we need the address. So I suggest to cover this. So all functionality will be only if you connect it. So if we have main account, then everything else. Like this. Yeah. So first you see connect button, click on it, and then we receive the address, get account balance. Do we have any problem? No. Let's print it. Yeah, we have the balance here, but I think the problem that React can't just show the big number here. So we can convert to the string, or it will be better to use Web3 utils and convert it to the others. From way, this is this amount to other. Yeah, it should be a big number. Okay. Okay, and now we see the balance. Let's add it here. This is how much of others we have in the what account was connected, this one. In ZKsync Sipolia test network, this amount. Okay, Let's try to do something more difficult, like send Ethereum to someone. So add the function. If we have Web3.js instance, create random account using Web3.js, because we need just to have address here. Transaction, it will be from main account to address and how much we want to send. Populate this transaction using the ZKsync layer to populate transaction and send this populated transaction. And we need to also to save the results. And have some button like send some others to a random account and use this method here. And here I want to have the transaction hash, and if we have the transaction hash and also use Sepolia network, we can make the link to the Sepolia Explorer. So result will be the link to the transaction. So if we have the receipt and transaction hash, let's make this link. Okay, let's try. Okay, once again connect to the MetaMask from way, because we don't have the main account balance yet. So let's add this only if we have main account. Main account balance, I mean. Okay, connect. Okay, we need to have the value, not amount. Let's try again. Connect, get balance, and send others. So we want to send this amount of others to somewhere. Let's confirm and check the transaction. As you see, this is our account to random account, amount which we sent, logs, so everything here. Also regarding the MetaMask, if you do not have the network here, ZKsync Sepolia testnet or ZKsync error, you can add them manually using this button. Okay, in this video I demonstrate how to set up the basic Next.js application and connect it to injected provider like MetaMask. Also how to get the balance and send the transaction using the MetaMask. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I hope you found this course valuable and enjoyable. If you have any feedback or questions, please feel free to share. And I can't wait to see the amazing dApps you all will create using the ZKsync Layer 2. Keep coding and happy developing. Bye.